Crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Woo! Perfectly roasted potatoes on the Gasmate Odyssey barbecue. So in this pot we've got our agria potatoes. They've been peeled and cut into pieces that are suitable for roasting, and we're just going to boil those away. Okay, so we know they're ready when we can easily get a fork in there, but the potato's not completely falling apart. Now that's completely dry in there, turn that off for a generous amount of salt, and we're just going to bash it around a bit. See, what I want is these furry, kind of almost whiter edges, and those are the bits that are going to really crisp up. So with this barbecue we're able to fit a cast iron skillet in the middle here, which is perfect for roast potatoes. Today I'm going to use duck fat. You can also use canola oil or whatever your favorite oil is. You just want an oil with a relatively high smoke point. Now we want this oil hot, but what we don't want to do is start a grease fire. Okay, we've got a little bit of smoke now. No, it's hot. We don't want it to go past the point. We don't want heaps of white smoke. That'll mean that it's getting close to catching fire. So I'm going to turn it off underneath. So we've got both side burners on. We're not going to have the heat coming from directly under. That'll risk us burning the potatoes. We're aiming for around 200 degrees Celsius, and I'm just going to adjust those until I've got the barbecue running at approximately 200. Okay, so we've got our central burner off. We've got our two side burners down on low. Got our barbecue sitting just above 200 degrees Celsius. The oil in there is nice and hot. Now, I'm wearing a glove with a protective heat-proof glove underneath. Okay, so we've been in about 15 minutes, just making sure that the bottoms of the potatoes are not burnt. Back down we go. Alrighty, another quick check. Okay, so it's been another 15 minutes, just checking to make sure that the potatoes are browning evenly. So we'll give it another probably 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so we've been a total of about 40 minutes in the barbecue. Potatoes looking nice and gold. And a little bit of salt straight on. Crunchy on the outside. Fluffy on the inside. Woo! Still super hot. Perfectly roasted potatoes on the Gasmate Odyssey barbecue. Delicious.